So here we go. We have the Ashika for a section of hair out. Notice that there's an indentation right here on both sides. Those indentions are designed so that this product can be placed behind the ear, and then it's also going to cover the hairline. Have your client help you hold on to this top while you fix the back part. Okay, so this part is going to go forward. Now again, have your client help you hold this front part so that you can concentrate on making sure the back is straight. Now you are creating a new hairline. And when you sew in your new hairline, once you get to the top, you're going to remove the excess materials, okay? The Ashika is for a section of hair out, so this is going to be leave out. Whatever is here, that's what's going to be a leave out, okay? The rest is going to be protected underneath the Ashika hairline protector.